Welcome back to popular cocktails from around the world.
Good luck with that. It's 11 a.m.
Wow, you started drinking tequila at 11 a.m. in Hawaii. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. Today, we're gonna do an espresso martini. Buckle up, buttercups. Let's go. Get yourself a glass, darling. 2 ounces of your vodka of choice, 1/2 ounce of your coffee liqueur of choice. Shake, shake, shake. A little 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup, 1 ounce of your espresso. Yeah, you know, espresso, like where did the X come from? This, my name's not Candy Burris. I'm not from Escape, okay? It's espresso.
The word is espresso.
Espresso, espresso. Oh. This is just for fun. 3 is chaos, 4 is perfect. That's good. This is a whiskey sour, huh? We're gonna do a little whiskey sour. This is what you're gonna need. Bourbon, some bitters, darling. A little egg white, some fresh lemon juice, a little simple syrup, a little shaky, 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 a little ice, and me. Take your little shaker. Need 2 ounces of bourbon. Whew. And you want to do 3/4 ounces of your fresh lemon juice. Oh, 1/2 ounce egg white. This was just for show because I thought he was cute. Humpty Dumpty. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Listen to me when I talk to you. Come here, yeah, closer. Thank you. You want a dry shake because you want to get that froth. You want that froth. Thank you. Shake again. Take your bitters. Do a dollop.
Do a dollop.
Just make it. Today we're gonna make you something from Peru, a Pisco Sour. I had a lot of these when I was shooting the Mech Denim campaign back in the day when I used to have a different job. But yeah, we shot it in Machu Picchu. That's right, we did. Gorgeous, amazing time in my life. Why not bring you a Pisco Sour, you know, from my kitchen to your lab. To your lab, baby. That's right. Let's go. You need a little something to release that tension? Lime juice, 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup, 1 egg white, your Pisco.
Es Pisco Portón.
Wow. Just for good luck. Dry shake it. But you can put the ice in it, just give it a little bit more zhuzh. Find your best top, as I always tell you. Give it a little zhuzh, a little shake. You have to go hard on this one. Hard. Come on. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
A
little one. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I should have been a ballerina. Today we are gonna make a bourbon old fashioned. Ready for it? Let's go. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Bam! 1 for the homies. 1, 2, that's about right. 1 teaspoon of water. Mix it up. An old fashioned really needs the proper ice.
Wow, look at that beautiful ice cube.
But we're working with what we got here, okay? We're in my kitchen, and I just got the basic ice.
You're a basic bitch.
Add 2 ounces of bourbon. Now you need your orange peel. Do not try this at home. I am an amateur. I have a medic standing by.
ambulance! Where's the ambulance?
Oh, wow. I mean, for an amateur, come on. It's a heart of cherries. Oh, cherries are the best. So, this was my basic version of doing an old fashioned.